Model, 68-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2 130 noisy engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 72,541. MOT, the 24th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, reversing camera, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,495 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.